Step-by-step guide to successfully dissolve your LLC. Thinking about closing your business? Dissolving your LLC is a major decision. Doing it right can save you from future headaches. Whether your business goals changed, finances got tight, or you're merging with another company, officially dissolving your LLC is essential to avoid ongoing fees, taxes, or legal trouble. Start by getting member approval. Hold a meeting, vote on the dissolution, and document the outcome according to your LLC's operating agreement. Then, check both your agreement and your state's requirements. Each state has its own rules for closing an LLC. Next, file articles of dissolution with the state. It's a simple form that makes your closure official. Once filed, don't forget to cancel your business licenses, permits, and registrations to avoid unnecessary fees. Be sure to pay off all outstanding debts, close business accounts, and file your final tax returns. After that, distribute any remaining assets fairly among members and keep records like tax filings and dissolution documents on hand for at least 7 years. And if it all feels overwhelming, don't go it alone. With 18 years of experience, we at the Rapid Registered Agent know exactly how to handle claims and can do a far better job than you could on your own. Let us take care of the paperwork, compliance, and legal steps so you can focus on what matters: recovering your time, reducing your risk, and gaining peace of mind knowing it's all handled the right way.